Hi Capricorns, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Before we dive into your reading, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for being a part of this journey. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. Capricorns, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your forecast for this month. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the High Priestess. Surprises and gains were quite likely. Possibly, you were commuting great distances or you were communicating as well. I think the pressure of work could have also mounted on you. Perhaps everybody wanted you to assist them. But sometimes you may have also felt as though it's a thankless world. People fail to acknowledge the good deeds that you do for them. Nevertheless, I think Capricorns, the universe will certainly reward you. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Tower card. I think you have to brace yourself for excess work. There'll be quick communication as well. But then, communication could also be one-sided. Ideally, I think Capricorns, you have to be realistic rather than have very high hopes this month. Maybe there are going to be disappointing moments as well. It would be best, to control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. Incidentally, with respect to influencers for October, we have the Three of Cups. I think there'll be reunions. Possibly, you're somebody who's going to network a bit and you are going to gain on account of your friends and acquaintances. Maybe you're also somebody who wants to promote yourself on the social media. Maybe younger people could also be involved here because you're going to deal with youngsters. They could help you as well. The first 10 days of October for Capricorns, we have the Four of Pentacles. Money issues could crop up in this time, even if money is there, but you may feel as though you have to give them away, or perhaps you owe somebody some money, so that is why you're going to give it away. Largely Capricorns, you have to be prepared as there's going to be expenditure or expenses could mount. I think you'll also have to deal with tension on the home front. Perhaps somebody is unwell around you. Nevertheless, your family members are also going to promote your talents. Maybe there could also be an outstation work offer, but then money on offer could be very ridiculous or it could be quite less. That is why you're going to decline such an offer. I think your creative ideas could also be trashed by people who are judging your work. Maybe you should understand that it's not time yet. You have to approach other agents. As an employee, I think Capricorns, you should be prepared because there could be changes in your schedule. We have the Tower card, which is talking about quick progress, or the energy is such that you'll have to move about. But work could progress at snail's pace. Besides, there are going to be errors. Ideally, I think you need to focus. Sometimes, you could also be stressed out because colleagues or others around you are not systematic. Nevertheless, I think you can expect gains through communication. Are you also somebody who could feel that others are using your ideas and findings? Bookkeeping work, accountancy work could also keep you busy. Maybe you're handling your workers' wages and all. Other than that, I think your rival is also going to be respectful of you this month. But then you may wonder that something is brewing behind closed doors. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Seven of Pentacles. It's quite likely in this time you're going to be somebody who is going to plan for the future. Perhaps you're going to lay the foundation for the future. You're going to do the groundwork. Again, financial issues could create disagreements within the family. Nevertheless, I think there could be a work offer. In case you've applied for a job, then I think you should ask for more when you negotiate with the prospective employer. Even those of you who are working can expect a marginal hike. There could be incentives which would come your way on account of your good showing. For some Capricorns, I'm also picking up that maybe you have made investments in the past and that is also going to bear fruit, or you're going to get the results which could make you happy. This is also the time when you could be investing in gadgets. Sometimes, you may end up spending more for an accessory, but then later you may realize that it was not worth it. Incidentally, Capricorn, I'm also picking up that you may be looking for missing objects this month. The final days of October, that is towards 21st to 31st October, we have the Ten of Cups. Contentment is quite likely. Besides, I think you're going to be quite productive in this period. Appreciation is also on the cards for you. I think you're somebody who's going to rush and finalize those deals. Perhaps you should charge more from your clients. For Capricorns, you should be on your guard because your rivals or your boss who is jealous of you could pour water on your plans, or there could be changes in your schedule. Maybe your boss is also somebody who is going to deliberately put you down. You should follow your sixth sense. You're also going to come away making spiritual growth this month. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you will do away with unprofessional workers. Maybe you're somebody who is going to assess their skills. As a leader, I think Capricorns, you should be more flexible. You should give your juniors the freedom to excel. With respect to your love life, Capricorns, we have this card, Material World. I think your focus is entirely on money matters this month with respect to your relationships or with respect to your connection as well. Perhaps the two of you are bogged down on account of work. Or perhaps some Capricorns, you could come across a love interest or a potential love interest on account of your career. Maybe your profession could throw you in the path of possible suitors. I think romantic Capricorns, you will enjoy dinner dates. You'll have free-flowing conversations with this person. You're going to be in a happy state. Maybe you also want a formal commitment from this person. Nevertheless, I think your person is somebody who is going to overwhelm you. He is going to point out your positive attributes. Those of you who are in on-again, off-again relationship could also want to reconnect with your person. In case you're in an unacknowledged relationship, I think you could be cyber stalking this person. Maybe this person is more concerned with work and he is disinterested in forming a relationship with you. Sometimes, your dates could also be cancelled because your person could be preoccupied or work could come up. That is why some plans could be cancelled. Married Capricorns, I think you should avoid disagreements. Another card we have here is Apron Service. Again, this is talking about work or professional matters. Many Capricorns, you could also be concerned about your spouse's health this month. Maybe children or outsiders could also affect your relationship. Maybe there are financial worries as well for some of you. For harmony, you should avoid disagreements with your person. Some of you could be in an extramarital relationship and you want a conclusive answer from your person. Maybe you don't want to be hanging in midair with respect to this relationship. Card in your reading, Capricorns, is Fresh Air from Archangel Raphael Healing Deck. I think you need to go outdoors. Your ancestors were well aware of the curative properties of fresh air. That is why you are being called upon to open the windows. Maybe you need to increase ventilation. Or perhaps you should de-stress by breathing easier. For some of you, it is also possible that you need to focus on your lungs. You need to quit smoking. Or you will also benefit if you do spiritual cleansing of the home. Clear the energy of the home, that is. All in all, Capricorns, you will come away making gains this month. I hope Capricorns, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.